It takes up to 1,000 years for a plastic bag to break down. In total, we use 100 million tons of plastic every year. Some 10% of this plastic end up in the oceans. An estimated 300 million plastic bags every year end up in the Atlantic Ocean alone. We the researchers propose the innovation of Coir. The use of banana fiber and coconut coir fiber as an alternative eco bag to address the problem in plastic waste. Banana fiber, also known as musa fiber, is one of the world's strongest natural fibers. Biodegradable, the natural fiber is made from the stem of the banana tree and is incredibly durable. While the coconut fiber is the most well-known fibrous waste from the coconut's cultivation. Coconut fiber shows a good stiffness and is used in products such as floor mats, doormats, brushes, mattresses, coarse filling material, and upholstery. This is the 3D design of Coir. One of the features of Coir is its resistance to water because of the components of the materials used in making it. Also, the combination of banana fiber and coconut coir fiber in Coir ensures high durability. Another feature of Coir is that it is environmentally friendly and biodegradable.